Hi, everybody. I'm Nate Keene, and welcome to the Mortgage Podcast. And in our previous program, we discussed paperwork that's important to obtain a loan. And it's always a good idea to know in advance what kind of loan you're going to get, so you know exactly what kind of papers you should not pack away while you prepare your move. This is also relevant if you plan to refinance an existing mortgage. Document-wise, there are basically three types of loans: full document loans, stated income loans, and no document loans. No-doc loans are just what they say. You need no income documentation, but remember, because this is a riskier loan for a bank, you will pay a higher interest rate. Generally speaking, no-doc loans are for people who are not working but have money coming in from other sources. The other two loans, stated loans and full doc loans, all involve verifying your employment. It's always a good idea to be upfront with your loan officer so that there are no last-minute surprises during the loan process. The verification of employment is actually done on the day of closing, and if they can't verify that you work where you say you work, your loan gets canceled. Trust me, it's happened before. With a full doc loan, it's generally a good idea to keep your last two pay stubs and W-2 forms in a safe place. W-2 forms are the documents your employer gives you at the end of the year for your taxes. In certain cases, lenders also do bank statement loans where they analyze income based on 12 months of bank deposits. Sometimes there are cases where a person can't prove his income with a W-2 and pay stub. Most of those involve a business owner, sometimes it's a salesperson, whose income is based on commissions. If you own a business, usually you will need a business license and or a letter from your CPA that says that he has done your taxes for X number of years with no mention of income. The income info is not included because in a stated loan, all you do is state your income, and that is good enough for the bank. However, it is a good idea to be honest about your stated income, because why overstate your income if you can't afford the mortgage payments? In our next episode, we'll talk about credit and how important it is during the whole process. And for more information, please feel free to call in at 1-800-991-9575. That's 1-800-991-9575. I'm extension 202. This is Nate Keene for the Mortgage Podcast.